Hello everyone, it's me Sanjay, and today I'm going to present about my presentation slide on the evaluating the online flight booking experience. So let's get started from my introduction part. Okay, this was a project which aimed to improve the user experience of online booking uh, system, which was focused on identifying the addressing the usability issue to make the system more efficient and satisfying with the customer experience. This was the detailed usability assessment, identify the key points and the user needs. Based on these prototypes was developed to bridge the gap between the user experience and the system functionality. The prototype was relatively tested and refined to ensure a more intuitive and the user-friendly experience. So let's move to the second slide, which was usability evaluation finding. The usability test revise key strengths and weakness of the original flight booking system. This booking process was complex and had too many steps, causing user frustration. Such function was problematic and making it difficult for the user to adjust the criteria and find the result. Inconsistent in visual design and layout, and some confusing user. This finding they highlight the needs for the significant improvement to enhance the user experience and the system. So let's move the about the design decision. Based on this usability evaluation findings, several design changes were made to enhance the user experience. The booking process was signified by reducing the number of steps, auto suggestion feature, and refined filtering option were added to improve the search capability. The visual design and the layout were made more consistent and clear to about the user confusion. These changes aim to make the flight booking experience more and user friendly. Let's move to the implementation and recommendation about these prototypes. The prototype improvement were made to fix the usability issue and enhance the user experience. This booking process was simplified by reducing the number of steps. The search function was now include the auto suggestion and better filtering for the faster and more accurate result. Visual design and the layout were made consistent and clear to avoid the confusion for the user. These changes aim to create a more intuitive and appealing the flight booking experience. Um, we just result become input and consent identify everything without any confusion. Um, so let's move to the evaluation about the result. Um, this prototype was tested to see if it solved the usability problem and improve the usability experience. It reduced the user effort and booking the time significantly. The improved search function was made it easier to find the relevant flight option. However, the some area like navigation and the visual clarity still needs to fine tuning. This so that the prototypes need further adjustment for the better usability. So let's move about the reflective analyze. This project had strengths and challenges, and this the team collaboration brought innovative solution, and the interactive design process allow the consistent references based on the feedback. Balancing with the functionality was challenging, and ensuring the consistency across the prototypes was demanding. The focus on the user-based method and creative design helped overcome these challenges. Overall, the reflection highlight the importance of this approach in the developing the function prototypes. So now let's move to the what we learned from this project. The project offered the valuable insight for the further human creation design product. User feedback is crucial, and this should be included early and throughout the process to identify and solve the utility issue and refine the design iteratively. Collaboration and the interdisciplinary approach foster creativity and better understanding for the user needs. Emphasis upfront include the ensure the accessibility and is for the diver user. Moving forward, this insight highlights the importance of ongoing the user research, iterative design process, and commitment to accessibility in the user design. So let's move to the recommendation for the future improvement. What we can do for the future improvement about this project. So based on the evaluation and repression analyze, several recommendations are made to improve the prototypes. First, further refine the visual design and layout to ensure consistency and clarity, reducing the user confusion. Continuously usability test and iteration are essential to identify and fix any new usability issue. Stabilizing the improvement, adding the advanced feature like tailoring recommendation can enhance the convenience and design in the user experience. This recommend leverage the strengths of the current prototypes and address the identified improvement area, aiming to deliver a more and user-friendly flight booking experience. So, okay, this was the Figma design. I just used the Figma to design my uh, website. This was the some of the screenshot of my design, how I design in the Figma about my website. You can view. I have also attached in my reports also, and I just want to share some screenshot about my design system. So this was my Figma design. I designed in the Figma. So and the con- conclusion part, this paper provide insight into the enhanced user experience in online flight booking using the user centric design principle. Key highlight the includes usability evaluation, finding design decision for the prototypes and prototype evaluate the result, reflecting analyze highlighting the some of the strengths and the challenges in the design development process. Mm, This insight will guide further development effort to improve the prototypes. And in the summary, the study finding and recommendation are the significant input for creating the user-centric and the meaningful UX design in the future project. So this was the end of my slide, and this was the reference, some of the reference I use in my project while developing my report as well as this PPT project. So thank you for your time, and thank you. This was the end of my slide. Thank you so much.